welcome to another episode of Checkout Basket. Today, we're checking out a new range of TV snacks from Arnotts that have done a collaboration with Krispy Kreme. Now, I have all 5 of the varieties here. I have the original glaze, we've got the cookies and creme, we've got the caramel delight, we've got the strawberry sprinkle, and we have the choc iced. Now, all of these are biscuits, but made to be like Krispy Kreme. Now, to find out if they actually are very much like Krispy Kreme, let's open up each one of them and have a look. Right. One pack. All right. First smell, biscuits with icing. So, you know your Arnott's TikTok biscuit? This smells exactly like it. All right, so let's pull it out. So we've got an original glaze right there. All right, let's go to the cookies and creme next. Open this up. Get a smell? Yeah, same. Smells very much like the Arnott's TikTok. There's the cookies and creme. Let's do the strawberry sprinkle next. Ooh, now this has a different smell. Okay, so if you've ever had strawberry quick, you know, that stuff that you mix in with milk, that's what the first smell of this one smells like. Let's have a look at what it looks like. There we go. Next, let's do the caramel delight. All right, first smell. Smells like biscuits, just plain biscuits. You know, your Scotch finger biscuit. Very much like that. Let's have a look what it looks like. There we go. And last but not least, we'll look at the choc iced. Have a look. First smell. I've got a chocolate smell. What does it smell like? Just a chocolate covered biscuit. That's all I'm getting off that. Alright, there's the 5 of them there in front of us. They are all just a biscuit. A very round biscuit. Some of them are, like this one's a chocolate. The rest of them are plain. Alright, time to give one of these each to my offsider who sits off camera, who's going to help you and me figure out, are these really inspired by Krispy Kreme to give the flavour or just the appearance? That's right, it's taste test time! Okay, so in front of you, you should have 5 of these biscuits. Now you've got chocolate, strawberry sprinkle, the original glaze, cookies and cream, and then the caramel delight. So, which one do you want to taste first?
I have no idea. We'll go in for the original.
Original? Not a problem. Now, have a smell of it first.
Oh, they smell nice.
What does the smell remind you of first, straight off the bat?
Donuts.
They don't remind me of donuts at all. They remind me of, remember those TikTok biscuits you could get from Arnott's? Yeah, as kids we would love those because we'd sit there, you'd love it because you'd sit there licking off the icing off the back of the biscuit and then you get to eat the biscuit as well. All right, shall we go in for a taste?
Come bite.
They're not soft. They are a hard biscuit. Does it remind you of the original glaze?
No.
No.
They do remind me of the TikToks.
Yeah, they do remind me of TikToks. Alright. Which one should you go in for next?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Now the chocolate one is a plain biscuit on the underside, and there's a chocolate icing on top. All I can smell is chocolate on this. And the taste.
It's got a nice bite.
That biscuit isn't as hard. Sort of breaks up like a biscuit should. Does have a chocolate tinge to it. If I could compare that to another one, what would I compare it to? Remember when we did the chocolate coated Scotch finger biscuit? A long time ago. That's sort of what it reminds me of a base flavour. If you wanted to compare it to anything. Alright, which one do you want to do next?
Caramel.
The Caramel Delight. Now this one I couldn't pick what flavour it smelled like. I smell the caramel. Alright, in for the taste. Ooh. This biscuit is a bit more brittle. A bit harder. I'm not getting too much of a caramel taste out of it. A little, very minor. That one's a little bit disappointing.
Yeah.
Alright. Which one next? The strawberry sprinkle or the cookies and cream?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. Now, the cookies and cream is slightly different. It's a different biscuit. It's actually a chocolate biscuit on the bottom. And it does smell different on top. In for the taste?
Yep.
Yep. That's a bit brittle as well, but not as brittle and as hard as the original and that the caramel. The biscuit more crumbles like the chocolate coated one. Now you can actually, this one does have a lot of a different taste.
Yeah.
Does it taste like cookies and cream? I'm thinking it does.
Yeah.
This one has got more of a what it's supposed to taste like.
Yeah.
Out of the four that we've already tasted, that's probably the one that comes closest to what it says it's supposed to be. All right, let's try the last one, the strawberry sprinkle.
This one.
It smells strawberry. You got that fake artificial strawberry smell. It smells very strawberry, very artificial smell, like the artificial strawberry that you get in strawberry milk. This is one that really reminded me of strawberry quick.
Yeah.
That smell that you get out of the strawberry quick. All right, in for a taste. Whoa, that's a hard biscuit. Strawberry icing is there, definitely. The sprinkles are bigger than the sprinkles on the cookies and cream and the caramel. So you're actually getting more of a sprinkle sugar taste out of that as well. I think that tastes very much like what it said it is.
Tastes nice.
That one and the cookies and cream are probably the best at representing the taste that they say they're supposed to be. Yep, so score.
3.
3? Yeah, I'm going to give them an all over 3. If you're wanting ones that taste the best, you go for the strawberries and cream and the cookies and cream. Oh, sorry, the strawberry and sprinkle and cookies and cream. forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you in the next video. I wish they were all more of a crumbly biscuit rather than
Yeah.